Alright, what's up, boys? If you have a freaking squeaky bearing, bruh, can you guys hear that? Then this is how you fix it, bruh. Speedrun 3, 2, 1. First thing you want to do, tighten the pivots down. Alright, see how tight that is? You tie it like that, and you just make sure you don't cut yourself. By the way, you could tape it up if you want, but go like that for a few minutes. You could close it like this too. Just make sure your fingers are out of the way. Untying it as much as needed, and then it should be smooth. If you're still hearing the squeak, then just tighten it up again and continue to work it so you could tread your bearing into the washers right there. And yeah, you could also put some dry lube on it. If it's really grindy, then most likely you'll need to tread these, or else, you know, the lube won't really help with that. But yeah, I hope that helped, and adios.